Hey, what's up guys? Today on this video I'm gonna show you how to make CutList in PRO100 software using application Nowy Razkroj, for CutList. So let's take a look. Before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and leave some comment. And let's move on. So in order to make some cut list, we need some shelves or wardrobe, just as an example. So I already prepare this shelf. So we can see we have baseboard shelf, like 5 shelves, side panels. For all panels I give the name, so in order to know, to be certain which panel for. And let's go to File, Export, Optimization, and here we can give the name for a project, like for example shelves. And hit OK. Then open application Nowy Razkroj. Then let's add some plywood, and here we should add plywood. I already add plywood oak, but I can show you again. So here just put the name of plywood. For example, oak natural. And here you can set the size of plywood. For example, I used to use 575 183. So, and for example 2 list I think it's enough, or you can put 3 list or 4 list, but anyway it's gonna be used as it is. Then here you can put 4 milli for saw, and each side can take like 5 milli around for vesting, and hit OK. And then here we should put the list of our plates. So here's also double click, and again we can put shelves list, hit OK. Then here hit bottom library, and we have shelves, this 3 pieces, but actually it's not pieces, it's like position, it's like 1 to 3 position, but pieces like 8 pieces, 8 panels, but 3 position. So hit the button and double click and OK, and we can see all our panels. Then just hit this icon, cut order. We can see all our panels has been cutted, and here is like vest pieces. So and here you can see how many percent of pieces for vest and how many elements and all stuff like that. So I hope you guys find it useful, and please consider to subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.